I watched a video that showed us how hydrophobic spray worked. We don't have a pool, so we tried that. First, we put on vinyl stickers and sprayed them with hydrophobic spray. Peeled off the sticker. Then we poured water that was red on where the sticker was.
Wow.
And that's how I got the red CrunchLabs symbol. So it was like super thin, which made it hard to place the paper clips on the water and get them to float. 2 paper clips, mega hard.
Me got the soap.
I didn't actually think that the spray would make the hydrophobic spray stop working. I just thought it would sink the paper clip. We used different sizes because we didn't know how big the volume was. I had fun doing this project.